take off this mask here. Let me breathe 1 minute. Alright guys, we are Jamaica. Where we there? How would them people there?
Hi! Welcome to the island.
Alright, actually we don't have none that I'm not gonna live, you know. Me don't have none. What go on, Omar? Pick up yourself. What you say you want to feed them? Alright guys, with the airport here, we are waiting for some food. My sister go buy me rice and peas and chicken. Alright guys, welcome to Jamaica, and I'll show you a little bit more where we are going to eat and them thing there. Alright? Oh, so that means I don't come out yet. Alright guys, we're gonna get something to eat. Alright, so we're gonna get rice and peas and chicken and cocoa bread and patty. Alright. Beer chicken guys, rice and peas, Jamaican style. Ginger beer to belch the gas. And you have to get some patty and cocoa bread. Alright guys. Oh. We can't even see sitting dark so too. Guys, see what I eat here now? Good Jamaican barbecue chicken and rice and peas and pasta, salad, mac and cheese or pasta. Guys, it's nice.
You sit down like two, somebody sit down like.
Yeah. Alright guys, we're going to taste some food. Look there guys. Food. One come like you have to run one up in here there. But you're not afraid of pop. So good. Food tastes good though, eh? Just want to warm up. Yeah, but then cook it for when?
Yeah, you need to fried chicken.
I think I'll try bacon. Be different. Good food guys. I'm just gonna show you a little bit over there. Alright guys, this one have bun out my ball and my fried so big guys. This one have bun me. Huh? So, welcome to Montego Airport, alright guys? You don't want the picture there's a boy? Want one this or no? See one nice spot here man. You know hot. Oh God, he now smile. What happened, son? Smile. He said, no picture to the view. Duyan, where the river your name? Teacher Arnold? No, don't a dam. Okay. Alright guys, we are going dam. Oh my, you piece of bush. Let me take him out of the video guys. Lord, the boy gone piece of bush. Alright guys, we are going bush here now. We are going river. Oh my, when they fence up here, sir. Kevin, you know, come wet up your foot in the water, yeah? Kevin, come on down here. Come wet up. At this your water, drinking water, Kevin, you know. Oh my, a cherry tree this year. Oh my, a cherry tree. Oh my, a cherry tree this. My brother them a go a river for water. Oh my, big up yourself. Take off your mask, man. Get some fresh air. You know what? Thank God video.
Hi guys.
Lord, my sister mad will come down and rush you. Ah, you look sexy and pretty though. Lord God, look at that. Look. Oh, but look at it. So guys, we are going river. Come show them the river. Come. You can't go beer down there, Sabina.
The people are down there can't take it.
You can't beer down there.
Yes.
Make it
That's a spring.
a spring this. Oh, spring water, guys. Natural spring water. Mama, you can't catch it on down there, so right? Oh, somebody
Natural
a beer.
spring water from the mountain. That's what we say.
From under the rock, guys. Oh, on the mountain, my sister said they don't understand under the rock. Under the rock.
Natural spring fresh water.
Fresh water can't drink, guys. Come on, drink some of this, you know. Can't drink it. I'm not drinking water. I'm drinking water, man.
Spring water.
Huh?
Be careful.
Oh, my hand tired.
Natural spring water. Clean, purified.
It's too dark. Come from under the rock, guys. Under the rock. Yeah. Make it full up good, man. Alright. Me the one good on this, but them a bit there. Them a beer. Guys, and there's one other part down there, so. Guys, look at my sister keep up one whole pan. Me can't manage this here. Go give me headache. Me can't manage it. Go on up with your man. Water to cook and clean. Yeah. And guys, down here, so. Hi. And guys, there's another one down here. Oh God, I far me have to walk, come down. Guys, me I come beer the other one here. And I can't wet up my foot, me I go catch cold. Why, guys, me I go wet up my foot. Whoa, water cold. Woo! It's so slippery. Woo! Woo! Why so slippery? Hello. Guys. Woo! Kevin, you don't want beard. Guys, look here. But it's slippery though, guys. Almost it broke my backside. And it come up under the rock, guys. No fish no in this water here. Fish in there? No fish no in there? Huh? Only crab? Oh. Guys, water that come up this one. So a nice one this one. Oh, it's so nice. Me a come. Guys, we are washing the face, okay? This one can drink? Yes, sir? This one can drink? This one can drink? Alright guys, we are going to drink some. Oh, nice. Alright guys. Look how I wet up myself. Alright guys, bye. Oh God, never see if I can break up my backside to go back up, you know. Alright guys, we are come from river. Hi! You got beard? Yes.
Okay.